Friends, Running Kimono here. So, we have a date for the Dollar General clearance event, and it will be celebrated March the 3rd, 4th, and 5th, which is a Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 3-day event in March, kind of unprecedented. They usually have one in January or February, but they pushed it off to March. This was actually confirmed on Friday, the 17th, by the freebie guy, and he has more than one source, so this is the real deal. So I am super excited by this, and I just wanted to give you guys a little taste of like, why is this event? Why should I even care about it? You should, because if you're a clearance shopper or a couponer, you can get a lot of stuff on the cheap, baskets and baskets of stuff, especially if you line it up perfectly. You a little pop quiz. So this is a planogram item, the Colgate toothpaste at $6.75. So that is the cost right now. On March the 3rd, it'll be half of that, so it'll be $3.37. The manufacturer for this product always has some sort of like digital coupon. So I know that the one I'm going to show you here in a quick second is going to be expiring, but there's always like a $3 one for this more fancy toothpaste. So drop it down to 37 cents. And we're definitely going to have to look on the week of the 26th for all digital coupons, because that's when we're going to really be able to line up this magic and load it up. A lot of coupons are expiring, but this is a weird clearance event because it's going to be the beginning of a month, so we're going to get a ton of really good P&G product coupons. So fingers and toes crossed for that. But here is an example, and I know that these coupons are expiring. Please don't write in the comments. I know that they're expiring. But the manufacturer, Colgate Palmolive, they tend to have very high value for the toothpaste, either one or both of these every single month. So even with that $3, if we get one at the beginning of March, it'll make that tube of toothpaste 37 cents. And yes, there are a lot of other freebies that I'm finding, but we have to just line up the coupons and the expiry date. So that'll be a video for the week of the 27th. Okay, so definitely what can you do right now to get organized for this event? Certainly start scouting your stores and see if this is worth your time. Look in the clearance section and then look for the orange sticker pogs. Are they tagged, and is this worth your time? And if you have to take Friday the 3rd off to get it off from work, or if you need like daycare or something, make those arrangements now, because typically on Friday the 3rd, that's when all the best stuff is gone. There's other items left over later, but it's not as good as that Friday morning, just to let you guys know that. And, since the Christmas quarter event, I've probably visited 20 stores and been to several clearance sections of many stores, and this is going to be a very POG heavy event. What is POG? It stands for planogram, and it is these orange stickers attached to products, and tons of like hair care, body wash, that sort of stuff is part of it this go around. And even if your store doesn't have a big clearance event, with these products you can still make something happen. Like even these gorgeous candles, still part of it. So definitely get out to your store and scout. And that last week of the 27th, we're definitely going to have to get organized. I have a lot of pictures of clearance items and POG items specifically as well. And then we're going to have to line it up to find the freebies and then start loading your digital coupons that week. So definitely scout. And just to show you a couple examples of stores that are very heavy with the clearance stuff, lots of tables set up, lots of shampoos, conditioners, this sort of magic. And definitely be on the lookout for these stickers, because this is where the magic will be for this clearance event. And it's very heavy on body wash, that sort of good stuff that us couponers love to get. So please give this video a thumbs up, and we will catch you in the next one. And I cannot wait to get half of this stuff for free. You guys have no idea, because I was anticipating a February sale, but I'll take this one. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.